Right. You introduce your family first.
Okay, tēnā pia no te kura whakapūmau. Ko mai koe?
Rangi Māori.
Rangi Māori, tēnā koe?
Tēnā koe. Kohiri e toko ingoa.
Tēnā koe, te whaia?
Ka pai, what's your name?
Rosa.
Rosa. Cool, Rosa. And who have you got here?
JJ.
G'day, JJ.
JJ.
How you feeling? Did you think you were going to be out on stage in front of, performing in front of all these people tonight?
Sure.
Sure you did. Right. Okay, so what we're going to do is we've got a little track called Happy. You probably heard it in the background. We're going to pump that track very shortly. And what they have to do is dance for us.
Woohoo!
All right. They have to... Okay, just a second. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. We have to do a very diplomatic way of selecting who is going to go first. So here we go. Inky Pinky Ponky, Daddy caught a donkey, donkey died, Daddy cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. All right. Are you ready? Thank you. 30 seconds. Here we go. Clap along.
Clap along, e
Haere Mai.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is.
Ka whaira.
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along.
Excellent. All right. Let's have a look at this side. Here we go. Toruwha. Go for it.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want.
Okay, all together. Come forward. Come forward. Go right up the front there, both, and have a dance off. Where you go? Dance off.
Here we go.
Love is too high to bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a rocket out the roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because
Give them a big round of applause.
if you know
Awesome.
How very cool was that? All right. Audience, you are our judges. So, by way of applause, we're going to judge this competition. Make some noise if you think it was this whānau here that are going to take home the prize. Paki paki mai!
Woohoo!
Or make some noise if you think this family deserved the prize. Oh! I think there's a unanimous decision. Congratulations, you and your family are going to the Te Matatini being held at Hagley Park in 2015 in March. Congratulations and thank you so much.
Tēnā
Ngā mihi.
koe. Ka whaira.